On behalf of the Chief Child Council and Feed Kenya Mentoring Program, may I request that you read this statement for me at the opening of the Siboko Bambo Pipewater Extension Project opening ceremony in appreciation. Money request from Tory Reed, General Manager, Chiefshire Council. Subject: the following is a message from the General Manager, Chiefshire Council, Mr. Tory Reed. It is with great pleasure that I greet those members of the fair community gathered here today on the question of the opening of the Siboko Pipeline Extension Project. On behalf of the people of the Chiefshire, our Mayor, Councillor Chris Sherry, the members of our Feed Kenya Mentoring Program Steering Committee, Chair Tom Allison, and staff contributors to the Feed Kenya Mentoring Program, I convey our warm regards and sincere congratulations for the wonderful community effort that has led to the completion of this water pipeline extension. There are many of us from the Chiefshire who are very proud of the outcome that has been achieved through this project. The Feed Kenya Mentoring Program, led by Mr. Oliga, has been working on water issues within the Siaya locality since 2007. The issues of limited access to safe water in Siaya were first brought to our attention by Mr. Oliga at a time when he gained access to the filter technology that has been used in the Tinga and resources to assist your communities in their quest for safe water. The members of TKFP here in Australia always knew that we were making a small contribution to a very large problem, and we knew that safe water kiosks and sky hydrant filters would not last forever. But we believe that by starting the journey towards a better water future, you, the people of Siaya, will gain momentum and find your own way to more sustainable and reliable safe water access. While we live a long way apart, our people's lives are linked by our reliance on water and the ceaseless effort that we must apply to maintain a safe and secure supply. I wish to thank and congratulate all the people who have worked on this project and made it a success. This includes the member of the County Assembly, Mr. David Again, NCA, the Managing Director of SIBO, Mr. Dipo, Area Chief Mr. Tito Uma, and Area Assistant Chief, Madam Carmen Aini. I acknowledge and thank all of the project engineers and staff on the design, budget, estimation, and construction supervision for the pipeline, and the technicians who have lifted valves and meters. I wish to thank and acknowledge all of the village elders who have assisted with the project, and members of the Bambo community, Tinga and Golan SW committees who have supported both the long-term operation of the TKFP safe water kiosk and the development of this new project model. We in Australia know that the project would not have been possible without strong community support, as well as the technical oversight by our colleagues within the county government and civil. I particularly acknowledge and encourage all young people. I also thank and acknowledge all of the people who have worked on the project, either by excavating the line and laying pipes or allowing access through their land. All of this work has been essential, and we believe that the deep involvement of the community will lead to a strong sense of ownership and commitment to maintenance of the pipeline and the water it delivers. Here in Chiefshire, I thank and acknowledge Mr. Mike Rea, former General Manager of Chiefshire Council, who in 2006 founded the Feed Kenya Mentoring Program after a chance meeting with Mr. Oliga. These two men shared a passion for people's well-being and water, and that from a very simple beginning, with their inspiration, we have achieved a project that will see piped water available for the first time to many thousands of people in the pipeline area. In Australia, TKFP has been funded by many Chiefshire Council staff who have made a small regular contribution from their wages into our project budget. Many of our contributors have been making this donation for as long as 15 years, and we are all very proud of what we have achieved. In addition to this, we have been blessed with the support of very generous donors by the name of Alex and Mary Pérez and the Stevens family. Their annual financial contributions to TKFP, and in particular, sizable contributions directly to this project, have been absolutely critical in this becoming a reality. In addition, throughout the years that TKFP has existed, we making one of multiple donations. Early in the life of the Feed Kenya Mentoring Program, we realized that at its heart was the concept of relationship between our two communities, and that this relationship grew around a shared understanding of the need for our families to be able to access safe water. At the center of this relationship has always been our water champion, Mr. Olita Mugondo. Without Olita, TKFC could not have provided water at our 4 separate wells for the last 15 years. Could not have distilled Goda and Tiga dams, could not have installed rainwater tanks or toilets at any of the local schools, and certainly could not have planned and funded the water pipeline project to serve thousands of people within this district. Olita has shown bravery, compassion, skill, diligence, patience, and great tenacity in all of his years in TKFC, and none more so than the recent man as he delivered this project, while at the same time mourn the loss of his beloved daughter, Renee. I hope you will all join with me in acknowledging Olita's immense contribution to his community over the past 15 years of TKFC operation, and in the completion of this valuable project. Olita, please accept our deep and sincere gratitude for your efforts. As General Manager of Teacher Council and an integral member of the TKFC team for many years, it is with great pride and optimism that I once again congratulate this community on its work on the water pipeline. I wish you Moja, going to be General Manager. We highly appreciate your contribution in terms of water to the Congo community. We wholeheartedly pray for your life so that God Almighty will continue to glorify you, to bless you. Together with Feed Kenya through Ms. Olita. Thank you very much. May God bless you. All right.